We therefore fully appreciate the promise of the Belt and Road Initiative to transform Africa through road, rail, and air connectivity and other infrastructures, thereby unlocking the vast potential for intra-Africa trade from its present low level of 15% and to facilitate the actualization of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. This will enable Africa to unleash its huge manufacturing potential by deploying our enormous renewable energy assets and significant mineral resources to power the continent's ambitious drive to sustainable growth and inclusive prosperity. In recognition of this undeniable promise, we are, for instance, engaging China on extending the standard gauge railway from Kenya through Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the DRC, into Congo Brazzaville, thereby linking the Indian Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. When it is finally implemented, this single project under BRI will deliver for our nations and peoples unprecedented transformation. This gives us an outline of the magnitude of the entire BRI and the scale of possibilities that will come with it. We all agree that China, yet again, is demonstrating that China's relationship with Africa is beyond partnership, is beyond friendship. In fact, it is in the realm of brotherhood. Allow me to mention three things. The opening of the 1.4 billion people market to African products, goods, and services significantly enhance Africa's contribution to global trade that at the moment is at a low of 3%. The continued investment in our physical infrastructure, including digital infrastructure, will significantly enhance Africa's connectivity, facilitating intra-Africa trade that currently is the lowest globally. And with the Africa Continental Free Trade Area being the relevant infrastructure for us to tap into, China's contribution in this space will go a long way in enhancing Africa's intra-trade. And finally, with the investment in health, education, and SME infrastructure, our preparedness to provide, as it has been built, 40% of the world workforce. These investments will assist us deal with our demographic dividend, our young people and women, to equip them with knowledge, skills, and expertise to be able to participate meaningfully in not just Africa's prosperity, but global good as well. You all agree, ladies and gentlemen, that in this context, it is correct to say, long live China-Africa relationship. I thank you.